Good morning. This is Madanachari, contract lecturer in English, working at GPW Jogipet. Today's topic is future continuous. Future continuous. Continuous means going on action. Continuous means going on action. When it will continue in the future. So the action which will be happening in the future, those sentences we should say in future continuous tense. Okay, the topic name is future continuous tense. Here we have an information about the future continuous tense. The structure of the future continuous tense is subject, shall or will plus be form plus V4. Okay, here we are using the be form. Why? Because it is a continuous tense. As well as we are using the verb for, means verb plus ing form, present participle. Okay, once again the structure of the future continuous tense is subject plus shall or will plus be form plus V4. Okay, this is the structure of the future continuous tense. Then the future continuous tense sometimes also referred to as the future progressive tense. Referred as the future progressive tense is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in the future. Something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. Expected length of time means when do we expect in the future, at the time it will be going on. Okay, this is the future continuous tense. Once again, the structure of the future continuous tense is subject, shall or will plus be plus verb for. Okay, here we have a few examples. In this table, totally we used will instead of the shall. Okay, but of course generally for the first person we use the shall, the remaining second and third persons followed by the will, but here we used will only. I will be reading, you will be, he will be, she will be, they will be. Okay, here we have few examples. For interrupted actions in the future, when you get home I will be watching this movie. First point for interrupted actions in the future, when you get home I will be watching this movie. Then for specific time as an interruption in the future, we will be having breakfast tomorrow morning 9 o'clock. Okay, like this we are using the future continuous tense as per the use of this structure. Here we have a few examples. I shall be sleeping at around 6 a.m. tomorrow. I shall be sleeping at around 6 a.m. tomorrow. Means here we, if we observe, have we implemented the structure in the following sentence or not. Okay, I is the subject and shall or will. Here we used shall plus be form be and V for sleeping. Okay, then the next sentence, they will be playing. They will be playing at this time tomorrow. They will be playing at this time tomorrow. She will be watching TV when I come home. I will be working in the office while you watch a movie. You will be waiting for her when her plane arrives tonight. Okay, these are all the common sentences in future continuous tense. Negative sentences. Negative sentence means using the not. Negative means using the not. Here we have a structure of a negative sentence. Subject plus shall or will plus not plus be plus V4 present participle. Okay, here I shall not be going. I shall not be going. They will not be playing. They will not be playing. We shall not be learning. You will not be understanding. Okay, these are all the negative sentences. Here we have few examples on negative sentence. I will not be going to bed late tonight. You won't be doing much cooking this week. The children will not be walking to school when it's snowing. When it's snowing. My girlfriend won't be reading my emails. My girlfriend won't be reading my emails. They will not be telling us much about next week's test. Okay, these are all the negative sentences. Then interrogative sentences. Interrogative means making the questions. Okay, here we have two types of interrogative sentences. Okay, the first one is yes no type questions. Yes no type questions. Yes no type questions means the sentence should start with the helping verb, subject, main verb, object plus question mark. Okay, here we have a structure. We will or shall plus subject, be plus main verb plus object and then question mark. Okay, the another form of the interrogative sentence is using the WH word. Using the WH word. WH word means what, where, when, which, why, who, how. Okay, these are all the WH words. Okay, this type of sentence starts with the WH word, helping verb, subject, be form, main verb, object, question mark. Okay, here we have yes no type questions. Will or shall I be going to school tomorrow? Will I or shall I be going to school tomorrow? Shall I be going to school tomorrow? Will she be changing her house soon? Will she be changing her house soon? Then next sentence. Will she be distributing blankets to the poor? Will she be distributing the blankets to the poor? Then will they be coming to office from next week? Will they be coming to office from the next week? Next, tomorrow by his time, will you be requesting for a tea break? Okay. Next, will he be traveling to Miami with a family? Okay, by this time, will you be writing exam on Friday? Shall we be shall we be going on a long drive this weekend? Okay, these are all the interrogative sentences. Okay, here we have three types of an: affirmative, negative, interrogative. I will be studying, I will not be studying, will I be studying? Okay, they will be studying, they won't be studying, will they be studying? Okay, these are all the future continuous tense sentences. Okay, once again, the structure of the future continuous tense is subject shall or will plus be plus v4. Okay, this is the structure of the future continuous tense. Thank you.